Hi, I'm Chris Blankenship, the Commissioner of the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources. I'd like to tell you about a RESTORE-funded project that is underway in the southern part of Mobile County, Alabama. The Effluent Outfall pipeline from the Bayou La Batre Wastewater Treatment Facility is being extended further offshore to minimize environmental impacts. The Mobile County Commission is implementing this project on behalf of the Utilities Board of the City of Bayou La Batre. The present effluent discharge pipeline from the Bayou La Batre Wastewater Treatment Plant extends approximately 1 mile into Portersville Bay in the Mississippi Sound. Although the environmental compliance of the facility has been good, there have been times when the effluent flow rate caused closures of nearby oyster harvesting. Temporary closures for oyster harvests are based on trigger points which indicate when the human consumption of oysters is above risk thresholds. Federal and state of Alabama environmental regulators began studies to determine the best location for the new outfall extending further out into Portersville Bay more than 10 years ago, with the goal of significantly reducing or eliminating water quality impacts and subsequent closures of oyster harvesting areas. It was concluded that extending the new outfall approximately 5 miles into Portersville Bay is the optimal distance to achieve the water quality goals. Right now, the construction is underway to extend the outfall 5 miles from the onshore treatment facility. This change in location will result in significantly reduced impacts on shellfish harvesting and water quality in general along the north shore of Portersville Bay and adjacent waters. The extended outfall pipeline is expected to be operational by the summer of 2026.